The last call of Colva Beach. A group of 5 friends, excited to experience the vibrant nightlife of Goa, decided to stay in an old Portuguese villa near Colva Beach. The villa, though beautiful with its ornate arches and vintage furniture, had a reputation among the locals, a place where the sea never truly slept. On their first night, after a day of exploring the beaches and shacks, the group returned to the villa to find an old rotary phone in the living room. It hadn't been there before. Curious but tired, they ignored it and went to bed. Around midnight, the phone rang. Startled, Raj, the boldest among them, answered. A cold, eerie voice whispered, "Come to the beach. The tide is high." Confused, Raj shrugged it off as a prank, but, something about the voice left him uneasy. Despite their initial hesitations, the group, egged on by a mix of fear and curiosity, decided to head to the beach. As they walked under the moonlight, they noticed that the usually crowded Colva Beach was deserted, the waves unusually high and aggressive. Then, out of nowhere, a figure appeared by the shoreline, a woman in white, her dress flowing as if caught in a storm, though the wind had died down. She turned to face them, her eyes dark and empty. She pointed towards the sea. As the friends stood frozen in terror, the tide began to rise, faster than any natural wave. The water reached their ankles, then their knees, and before they could react, they were being dragged into the ocean by unseen hands. The last thing Raj heard before he was pulled under was the eerie voice from the phone, whispering, "The tide always claims what is lost." By morning, the beach was calm again. The sun rose, tourists lounged on the sand, and the waves gently lapped at the shore. The group of friends was never seen again, but the locals knew the truth. The sea at Colva Beach had claimed more souls, as it had many times before. And that old villa? It's still there, waiting for its next guests, with the rotary phone sitting silently in the corner, ready to ring again.